To show you today how to build massive abs with 5 exercises and with deadlift, squats, and a clean diet to strengthen your core. Let's start right now. Hey guys, this is Pete. Welcome back for a new video today. We are going to talk about six packs and how to get those abs out. All right, let's start right now. Getting a six pack requires dedication and hard work, but you don't have to be at the gym 7 days a week or become a professional bodybuilder to do so. Instead, a few modifications to your diet and lifestyle can be enough to produce serious, long-lasting results. Here is the thing that many people, including a lot of trainers, overlook: diet. I repeat, diet. The single most important tool that you need in order to develop your abs is diet. Instead of falling for the empty promises, spend your time focusing on the things that matters, like solid nutrition principle, and leave the rest of the result alone. You need to do diet. Of course, you got to do exercises. For example, I'm going to show you 5 exercises right now that can build your abs. But if you don't do diet, it will not work, because remember, you have abs. They are not showing up because the layer of fat is so big and it's just cover all your abs. You need to have at least a 10%, 11 to 12% for your abs to start showing up. Do more cardio. Try to get at least 20 to 40 minutes of moderate to vigorous activity per day, or between, let's say, 150 to 300 minutes per week. The bottom line, well, there's much more to getting six packs than simply doing a few crunches or planks each day. Instead, it requires following a healthy diet and maintaining an active lifestyle to help achieve your goals. Making a few simple switches in your daily routine can get you a set of six packs, abs, and improve your health at the same time. All right, after those exercises that I'm going to show you, that I'm showing you right now, I like doing squats. Oh my goodness. You directly target the primary muscles, quadriceps and glutes, but your core, your abs work a lot. You strengthen your core a lot. Maintain stability the spine and torso during the squat. It's as strong as any regular abs exercise, which is a sit up. The second one I like to do is deadlift. It works almost every muscle group in your body. It also strengthens your core, your abs, including the abdominal muscles, which is your abs. These muscles work the important function of stabilizing the spine. Guys, I'm glad you watched the video today. Please remember to subscribe. Leave a comment under the in the description. If you have any question, please remember to leave it right here in the comments section. I will answer every single one of them. And remember, some link I will be putting on the description below. And all right, guys, you get the news. If you want to have good abs, it's diet and exercise, cardio. You have a great day. Peace.